Hello, today in front of me I have TCL Tab 10S, and in this video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number row. From here you want to either tap on this gear icon at the top part of the keyboard in order for you to be forwarded to the keyboard settings, or you can also open up the general settings tab, scroll almost all the way down, and actually all the way down, and open the system category. At the system category you want to head straight for the languages and input section, virtual keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, you want to open up the preferences section, and in here all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row toggle, and as we will see now, that will essentially mean that we have successfully switched on or activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.